Filter Pyspark dataframe column with none value. I'm trying to filter a Pyspark dataframe that has none as a raw value. And I can filter correctly within string value. But this fails. But there are definitely values on each category. What's going on?
You can use column.isNull/column.isNull. If you want to simply drop null values, you can use na.drop with subset argument. Equality-based comparisons with null won't work, because in SQL null is undefined, so any attempt to compare it with another value returns null. The only valid method to compare value with null is is/is-not, which are equivalent to the isNull/isNotNull method calls. Try to just use isNotNull function.
To obtain entries whose values in the dt_mvmt column are not null we have. And for entries which are null we have.
There are multiple ways you can filter the null values from a column in Dataframe. Let's create a simple Dataframe with below code. Now you can try one of the below approach to filter out the null values. You can also check the section, Working with Null Values, on my blog for more information. I hope it helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.